Hey guys, so it is June 11th. Yeah, June 11th. And we are just gonna get some Starbucks. So yeah. So I didn't really explain what we were doing today because I kind of explained what I did yesterday in the vlog. We are going shopping to get some like goodies and also souvenirs, stuff for my family. Every time. So we're in this store and I found the cutest sweatshirt. It's like purple and it says like Colorado on the side and it's really, really cute. We've just been shopping around. Haven't been in my vlog yet, have you? Not today. I think you were earlier, but I'm not sure. Anyway, we're probably not in the store and we're gonna go to another store. But yeah. That sounded really weird.
I was wondering if the ice skating rink is going to be open today. The heck? You're not even open till 6 p.m.
What? I don't think I'm gonna go ice skating today. This is where I was gonna film my outfit. It's kind of a pond. Open the umbrella first.
How do you open it?
I don't know. Push the button, maybe. Pull it up. See that little
Oh, that one.
You broke it! Oh my gosh! It's because the wind. No, we needed this part to go.
No!
Okay.
Hello, my name is Jade and I'm Buffalo.
So I just changed because I got this shirt and it's really cute. And yeah, it's really comfortable because it's super cool outside. And I just got something for my sister. Yay. Okay, so I forgot to show you this the day that we got here, which was 2 days ago. So, look how cool this thing is. I don't know why, I'm just so fascinated by this. And then it opens the window. And then you have a cool breeze. A really cool breeze, don't you? You have a really nice breeze, and that is awesome lighting, but I don't think it'll stay.
I think Dad's winning.
200.
Oh, really?
And I'm in second. No, I think you're in second.
Here you go, bank.
No,
this
I'm
goes
in
back
second.
to the bank.
I'm the banker. Give me the money.
Now, my chance card says advance to the nearest railroad. And if unowned, I'm over here. And if unowned.
We just finished Monopoly. I don't think I explained that. And I haven't even started editing my vlog, and it's 10. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next vlog. So tomorrow.